Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is our 700 subscriber garage upgrade. I've been trying to do some sort of an upgrade to the shop here every 50, but the last video kind of blew up and got away from me before I could even think about doing this. So I think we went from 550 to 600, 650. And we're at 700 now. So, I mean, it's just been kind of crazy. And then with work and winter time and just being super busy and just getting her done. So I had a 20-ton shop press here that I'm sitting on. And if Abby would move, you could see a 20-ton air hydraulic bottle jack, both from Harbor Freight. I got the 20-ton shop press at 25% off, and then this I bought, and then a week later they put it on sale. So anyways, yeah. And then I got some casters on the plasma table there to put it on. So this is just going to be the beginning of this project. I want to get a couple other things to go along with this, but that'll come another day. So I'm going to get these unboxed and get the shop press put together here. And if these two don't get in my way too much, I'll actually get something done. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, Abby. Oh, Abby. All right, the first, hopefully the only modification I gotta do to put this thing together is the caster won't quite go in here. So I just gotta make these holes just a hair bigger. And I'll just do that on the drill press with a step drill quick. And I went with these casters because they're a little heavier duty than the next size smaller. All right, I got one of these bigger step drills. They usually come in two sizes like this. The bigger ones have a little longer tooth on them for doing, you can do thicker material and for your size here. So we'll get this slapped in here. Maybe. There we go. All right. And I got my piece here. Here we go. And voila, easy peasy. Here we go. That's tight. Well, that's about as square as it's gonna get. Now I can tighten up these bottom ones. All right, we got this thing squared up. That took a little bit of time, but not too terribly difficult. Just note is this thing isn't going to be ever perfectly square, but just tighten these bolts up snug a little bit, and then you can move it back and forth a little bit to get it to tighten up or to be square, and then tighten up the bolts. Got the air hydraulic jack in. I need to make a plate to attach this yet, but that'll be another day when I got time to get the arc droid out and do a little playing. So got to throw these caster wheels on, and then it should be usable if I need it. So all right, there we go. This thing will move out of the way when I need, wherever I have it sitting. I can lock all 4 wheels so that it's nice and stable, won't go nowhere. And I went with the 3-inch polyurethane casters versus the 2-inch, just so I had a little bit bigger wheel for uneven ground. And then, I mean, not that it really needs it, but the 2-inch is rated for 800 pounds and this is rated for like 2,200 pounds. So yeah, we'll see how she works when I have something to use it for, but this turned out pretty good. So kind of like that it swiveled. I can move it around easy. Now I just got to find a home for it. But it's got these 2 arbor plates, and I've seen where guys drill holes in them so they won't slide off. But I got some other plans instead of using these, so that'll be one of the next videos. Hopefully the next video will be upgrading this thing. This is my 700 subscriber upgrades, which is kind of awesome. I figured it'd take a long time to get there. I didn't think I'd be there this soon. So thanks for subscribing, you guys, and gives me a little motivation to keep on doing projects in the garage and upgrading. The arc droid was kind of a big one, so yeah, this is not so big. Anyways, it's kind of a short video, but thanks for subscribing, and we will catch you guys on the next one.